Hi, welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. My name is Athena. So today is one of those days where I'm realizing my fridge is getting really full and I need to use up some food in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I've got some kale and some collard greens I need to use. It's about lunchtime, so I'm gonna kind of throw that together into a Italian casserole and put some cottage cheese in there for some protein. Not sure how it's gonna turn out, but I'm gonna throw those things together, make a video of it, and I'll let you know what my husband thinks of his lunch. So as I was getting my ingredients together for my weird combination lunch, I realized I have a few more things I'm gonna throw in there. So I found some leftover mozzarella cheese from making pizzas, and I've got a cheap can of pasta sauce and half a bag of noodles, so I need to use those up. And then I found my extra container of cottage cheese that I need to use before it expires. And then I have these greens, which are leftover from teaching some classes this week. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of make a spaghetti casserole with greens in it, and we're gonna have lunch. All right, so mixed reviews on lunch today. My husband did say that it kind of tasted like lasagna, but he really doesn't like greens. So I enjoy greens. I thought it was really good. But if I was gonna make this again, I'd probably saute the greens first instead of cooking them in the oven so that they were a little more cooked, and then I could season them. So maybe he would enjoy the greens better that way. All right, thanks.